Hello everyone. So the Black Week is here and I decided to release a 40% off coupon for all my courses and my bundles. So if I go to the All Access membership, I have a new membership for a yearly subscription, which is the cheapest one compared to the monthly. And if I enroll there, if you want the discount, the coupon code is Black Week 2021, and this will be a 40% discount. So this will apply for this membership and for all the others, including the bundles. So for all the bundles, you can get 40% discount, and you can get also lifetime access for this programming language. Also included, you will have also a coupon for all my Udemy courses, but here I cannot provide lower than 10 US dollars. So it's up to you. So happy Black Week and happy shopping. Thank you.